First, we'll open the trunk. On the edge of the tail light right there is a cover, and notice there is one spot right there at the bottom and one spot right there at the top. We will use a plastic trim remover tool like this, and we'll punch in the tool into those two spots to take the plastic cover out. While taking it out, I found this plastic cover a little fragile, so just be a little careful while pulling it out, making sure you do not end up breaking it. There you see that plastic cover taken out. Behind the plastic cover there are two screws, and we will be taking them out using a Phillips screwdriver one by one. With both screws taken out, now I will punch in my fingers on top of the tail light, then gently pull the tail light outwards. Just like that, you would notice the tail light popping out. Behind the tail light right there, notice there is one plug. We will press and hold the tab of the plug and then pull the plug outwards. Again, just to show you guys what we did here, we press and hold the tab of the plug right there and then pull the plug outwards to completely take it out. That is how we take out the tail light. In my case, the tail light is good, so I'll be installing it back. Suppose in your case you have a new tail light and you want to install it back. The first thing we will install back would be the plug. We'll go ahead and punch in the plug, making sure the tab side is at the front. Now we will go ahead and punch in the tail light back. Before installing the tail light, behind the tail light there is that spot right there. This has to be slided in that bracket right here. And notice right here is a pointer coming out. This pointer is supposed to be installed in that position right there. On the top side, notice there is one more pointer that also has to go in that hole on the top right there. We'll carefully punch in the tail light back, keeping in mind those positions. We'll make sure the tail light is sitting in there properly, and once we make sure it is sitting properly, only then we will give it a slight push from the front. Now it's time to punch in both the screws one by one using Phillips screwdriver. Once both the screws are tight, then we will go ahead and punch in that plastic cover back. Behind the plastic cover, notice there are two tabs right here, and these two tabs are supposed to go into these two positions right there that you could see. We'll go ahead and punch in the plastic cover, keeping in mind those two positions. Once the cover is in, then we will give it a push from the corners. Also pushing it from the bottom side. It seems like the cover is installed firm and strong. With that, we are done with the replacement of tail light completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.